What are we doing?
Let's go to New York, 2 weeks.
Whoa.
And I'm Adam Sunman.
Your name is Adam Sunman. Good morning, welcome to today's video. We're at Heathrow and we're heading to New York. We've got bikes with us, we're there for 2 weeks. You excited?
Yeah, I've got like clammy hands.
You've never been to America before,
No.
at all?
I'm very excited. I'm ready to be overwhelmed.
Everything is massive.
Yeah.
It's a god-awful small affair to the girl with the mousy hair, but her mommy is yelling no, and her daddy has told her to go, but her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks through a sunken dream to the seat with the clearest view, and she's
Welcome to Central Park on a Monday morning. That was a bit of a surprise on our flight that Elle came and met us. She was pretending that she wasn't working and had to hide from us when we were checking in and everything. She's in New York for 24 hours. We're gonna go meet her now. What do you think of New York so far?
It's fun. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Everything is massive.
I think after this ride, we need to go get one of those massive beers we saw in the supermarket.
They sell beer bigger than your head.
This is the best $1
Is it?
pizza. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
Too early to have pizza.
I mean, you're asking airline.
So I thought $1 pizza was no longer a thing, but we may have just stumbled on the best $1 pizza in the whole of New York.
It's definitely a thing, Francis.
Yeah, but no, I thought it had been closed.
Slices and a can of soda for $3.
Looks like they're doing
Deal.
much pizza.
On the way here, I was just like, oh, yellow school bus, yellow taxi. New York looks like a movie set. It's such a cool place.
Yeah.
Did you ever see
Crossing.
a video called Bike Lanes on YouTube?
No.
It's all about how there's so much stuff in bike lanes in New York, and it's so true.
It is so true. Look,
There's
like a
Christmas tree in it. Look at all the people, they're just walking in it.
A good joke.
No.
There's a bike. Don't know why.
Maybe they're for miniature police.
The Lego one.
Yeah, Lego ones. Elle, where are we heading?
Start of the High Line.
What's the High Line?
It's a disused runway. Runway?
For planes!
Walk like you're going down a catwalk.
Ah, catwalk runway.
It's a disused railway. And that's been turned into a bit of an art installation, but it takes you right through this side of New York, which is really cool. So you can see like the Hudson for that side, and then the whole of the city this side.
So the last time I actually came to this bit of New York was just after I had my accident at Red Hook. So I'm really excited to come back in much better health and check it out properly. When I was in Manhattan last time, I didn't even check out Times Square. The sheer scale of this place, it's nuts. So this is the High Line. Old tracks. What are you doing?
Watching a movie.
Yeah.
Watching a movie?
Yeah.
About New York.
So you know how you do that? You sit in a cafe and just watch the world go by? They've literally set up a viewing area to sit and watch the world go by. Kind of like it.
People watching.
It would be really enjoyable if it wasn't 2 degrees.
Yeah.
Remain calm. There is a man dressed in a prison outfit on that roof. Is that
Donald
a
Trump.
model of Donald Trump? Oh my god. Well, it's almost Hollywood, isn't it?
Yeah.
Work it, work it, work it. What's she doing?
Just doing the runway.
Oh, yeah. What are you sending?
Chris a message.
Chris is going to have major fear of missing out right now. Sending pictures of us looking really sad. Yeah, we look sad.
Yeah, we look sad. Daisy looks disgusted.
Okay, so now it's lunchtime. Heading across the road here to a place called Bear Burger. They do 2 things, the Beyond Meat Burger and the Impossible Burger, which is a vegan burger that tastes exactly like meat. Quite an
Beyond's
experience.
just beyond meat, and the impossible's impossible.
Wow, it is proper like, it really does look like real meat, doesn't it? Maybe they're just having us all on and it is actually real meat.
Tastes better than meat.
tastes a
really
lot
good.
like meat.
I honestly think it
Smells
tastes.
slightly
Not
different.
as fatty. I know that building.
Which one is it?
Last time I saw that had a giant peach stuck on the top of it.
Which building is King Kong on?
More importantly,
Empire State.
in Elf, that's where his dad worked.
There's a really like cool place here called Pensy. It's next to MSG.
MSG. Isn't that what they put in like Chinese takeaways?
Madison Square Garden.
Ah, so I don't know the lingo. Not from around here.
Technically neither am I. Really angry.
Look how wide the pavement is. It's at least 6 Lawrences. There is steam coming out of everything here. New York is still steam powered.
Guys, I'm really sorry. I don't know where Times Square is.
Should we ask someone?
Probably should ask them.
Yeah.
I think we've gone past it.
Can we go to Times Square now? Where is it?
It's quite a good place to view all the big lights.
Right, so we've just snuck into this hotel. 45 floors up.
Francis, you ordered a grand piano in your room. I'm glad we could be of service.
Oh, thanks. Not bad view exactly, is it? Daisy, look. The real life Statue of Liberty.
Oh
Oh,
God.
I'm glad we've seen that.
Daisy, you've eaten too much.
You're gonna do it.
I've got $7.
You're gonna do it?
So we'll buy pizza when we see you and Chris.
That does not look that bad for a donut.
It's
So
just come out of the
good.
oven. It's so hot.
Look at these guys.
Wait, listen, guys doing some stuff. We're gonna sabotage Chris's 24 by feeding him loads of pizza. Then we'll get Will Girling to enter it, and Will Girling will beat him.
Will Girling definitely eats pizza.
Yeah, but he's a nutritionist, so he knows how to stay lean.
Ow.
Right, we're just back at our Airbnb. Don't you think it's funny how big stuff is? Oh, maybe the camera doesn't do it justice. In the UK, you only get tiny ones of these. £48. I don't even know how much that is in millilitres.
Huge hummus. Oh, it's from Stranger Things. She eats Eggos, but I had to get the chocolate chip ones because I'm a massive child.
So the UK is like 5 hours ahead of us right now. So for us, it's like midnight right now. Maybe a bit later. We are knackered. I hope you enjoyed the first instalment of New York. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.